In this video, I just wanted to talk about setting up your Tripwire funnel and why you want to have a landing page in front of your Tripwire funnel. So it kind of depends the way that you want to have it set up, and I'll explain what I mean here. So when I finished my one funnel away challenge and was like, okay, I'm going to launch a Tripwire funnel and and see what happens here. The way that I had mine set up was that there was a landing page, and then we had the sales page where they could read about my offer, and then there was an order page where they could actually whip out the credit card and buy. So the cool thing is that if you go with what they call a two-step tripwire, on the page that they land on, your sales page and your order form have kind of merged into one. Your order form is on that page, so they're reading the sales letter and the order form's there and ready to go. So you still want to have a landing page, in my opinion, in front of that so that you can collect their email address. Now, if they go and enter in the first step of this two-step on the order page, because the order form will change. It has step one, and they'll fill in the info, hit the button, and then the order form will change, and then they'll see step two where they put in their credit card information. So if they complete step one and hit that button, that's essentially like them opting in and filling out the form. You'll be able to get that email address and that contact information through ClickFunnels, right? Even if they don't go and actually complete the order. But that's counting on them to go and actually fill out that stuff and click the button, and you can kind of basically start an abandoned cart sequence from there. But if you've got some type of lead magnet in front and they can go opt in, click on that, and then on the next page is where you start in with your, say, your two-step order form. Then you don't have to worry about whether or not they bail as soon as they get to that page. If they don't fill out the form, if they abandon their cart, you can go and start marketing to them right away, depending on what actions that they take. So you could set up like a timed event where you send an email to them if, say, they haven't purchased within 20 minutes, right? Because then you know that they land on that page, they watched whatever sales message was there as far as any videos, and they didn't take advantage. So I think it's better, in my opinion, to have a landing page set up in your Tripwire funnel because if it's a good lead magnet, the one that I had set up was converting at 50%. So 50% of the people that were hitting my landing page were opting in and then getting to the next step in my funnel to see the sales page there. So that's how I think that you should do it as far as having it set up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to go take the One Funnel Away Challenge. Go to seanbailey.com/challenge. And you can go and get my awesome case study bonuses that I've included that outline how I got my One Comma Club award. And the One Comma Club is when you go and actually sell $1,000 through one of your funnels. You just submit that funnel to ClickFunnels, and they will give you your One Comma Club award that you can go and print out and frame and hang on your wall and be proud of. So go check out those bonuses. seanbailey.com/challenge, and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.